Hello, I am Juliana Nyamisa, founder and CEO of Green Earth Farms. Today, we want to talk about mistakes some new farmers make in the snail industry. Mistakes investors make when investing in snail farming. One in particular is investing or starting snail farming without getting the necessary training from an experienced snail farmer. Yes, in every venture that you want to venture into, especially be it agribusiness, whatever form of business, you need to acquire the skills that is needed for you to be able to venture into it. Yes, at Green Earth Snail Farm, we give farmers training on how to venture and how to farm the snails profitably. We teach you the various types of snails. We teach you the housing, how to care for the baby snails. Everything that concerns snail farming, we are ready to give you that guidance. So first and foremost, before you start any business, any snail farming, make sure that you go to an experienced snail farmer to get the necessary training. Secondly, most investors make the mistake of choosing wrong snail consultants to work with. Yes, before you choose a snail consultant or expert to work with, make sure you do your background checks. Is that expert also a farmer? How many years has that expert farmed snails successfully? And what is the specialty of that snail expert? This can help you select the consultant that will best help you to farm your snails. Most snail experts in Ghana here are greenhouse constructors. Yes, so make sure that you select the one that farm the snails themselves, can give you the training, can give you all things that you would need to make your snail farming business a success and stress-free. As Green Earth Snail Farm, we construct greenhouses for our investors as well. We do everything that comes with the greenhouse. Semi-automated irrigation, we give you the training and even training how to farm your vegetables to feed your snails. Everything at Green Earth Snail Farm, we give you. Thirdly, this is one of the mistakes that a lot of investors and new farmers make. I think it is common on social media that with something small, with a small space, you can farm 10,000 snails. No, you need actual space to farm huge numbers of snails. Do not overcrowd your snails when farming them. Do you understand? Yes. So if you want to go into full-time snail farming, you will need space. You will need an investment. Every investment in agribusiness is high as at this moment. So don't be deceived that when I have my cage boxes and wooden boxes, I can farm 10,000. For where? No. If you are talking about serious business, please, you need space, because overcrowding leads to a lot of things. Mortality will be high on your farm. Your snails will not lay eggs. They will not grow fast. I mean, what do you want to achieve with small space? Do you understand? So if you are serious about snail farming, I would advise that you avoid overcrowding. Do not listen to whatever they say on social media. Please, serious snail farming business requires serious space. The fourth point is poor housing. Most investors, most new farmers do not consider the safety of the snails. They just build snail housing just anyhow. Yes, for you to build a good snail housing for your snails, ensure that your snails are protected from sun, your snails are protected from wind, your snails are protected from harmful insects as well. Lizard, centipede, millipede. Ensure that your housing is complete and has no space where predators can enter and devour your snails. You understand? If you cannot construct your snail houses yourself, look for a good consultant to help you with that. And at Green Earth Snail Farm, we also do greenhouse construction, pen construction as well. Any form of housing that suits your budget, we will build for you. Most investors are not exploring other profitable components of snail farming. You see, every component of the snail is profitable. The meat is profitable, The slime is profitable. Blue water is profitable. Snail shell is profitable. I mean, we all can do the same thing. AF, which is the king of slime, is there. We can focus on slime extraction. Do you get it? Yes. No, we shouldn't all focus on snow meat production, Investors, come and invest in the slime production. The market is available. People need pure natural snow slime. You understand? Yes. And AF is easy to farm. So get your investment, get your machine, and extract the slime and sell. Any investor at all who is interested in snow slime production, Green Snow Farm is ready to partner with you to help you with your production line as well. Here with me is slime that I extracted manually from AF. You get it? Yeah. So I'm planning to do let's say manufacture the soap, cream from the slime. So everybody can do it. Let's all not focus only on snail meat production, but also on snail slime extraction. Snow slime is highly expensive on the international market. You know, our Western neighbors, Western countries like European market, they love natural, pure skincare. And snow slime is one of the things that they love in their cosmetics. It is pure, unrefined, in its organic nature. Snow slime is very expensive on the international market. So if an investor and you are looking to make huge profit and cash on snow farming, I would advise that you go into slime production. You can find Green Earth Farms on all social media. Yes, contact us now and let's do business. If you want to call or WhatsApp us as well, we are ready to work with you. Our telephone numbers are 054 3909 755, 054 3909 755. Our office is at Dakuman Nyameche, and we have a training farm at Anya School Junction on the Awoshi Road. Call on us and we are ready to support you. Green Earth Snail Farm, all things snails. Green Earth Snail Farm, creating wealth, one snail at a time.